part we are going to take a look at some other loops. Okay, the do until loop, and do forever loop. Okay, so C only has do while and for loops, but some other languages may very well implement their own types. Also, a good C program could easily homebrew, okay, a new type of loop using a series of good macros. Okay, so they bear some considerations. Okay, so let's take a look at the do until loop. Okay, so a common do until loop will take the following format. This form, this one here, as you can see, do, then the loop body, then we can have until. Okay, we use the until keyword and x. Okay, so I think for those who have ever programmed in other programming languages, you know about these loops. Okay, so this one is this one here, this loop here, which essentially becomes this do until loop. Let me show it to you. It becomes this do while loop. Okay, it becomes this do while loop. Okay, so the other do until loop that I showed you, it becomes a do while loop like this. Okay, in C. So this is equivalent to the previous one. Okay, so let's take a look at another one. Let's cross this one and let's take a look at the until loop. Okay, so like the do until loop, the standard until loop looks like this. Okay, let me show it to you. It looks like this until then a condition and then the loop body like that. Okay, so likewise this one gets translated to this while loop. Let me show it to you. It gets translated to this one. Okay, so while then not x, not that condition, then we can have our loop body like that. Okay, so let's now take a look at another one, which is called the do forever loop. Okay, it looks like this. Like that. Okay, as you can see, do forever and then something like this. Okay, the loop body. Okay, so a do forever loop is simply an unqualified loop with a condition, okay, that is always true. Okay, for instance, we could have something like this. Okay, this pseudocode. Okay, and this one will become this while loop. Okay, let me show it to you. It will become this while loop. Okay, while then one, and then we can have our loop body. Okay, like this. Okay, so and this one can actually be reduced to this simple unconditional or jump statement. Let me show it to you. This one here, begin, then the loop body, then condition, jump, then begin. Okay, go back to the begin like that. Okay, so you should notice that some non-optimizing compiler will produce nonsensical code like this one here, like this one here. Okay, like this one here. Okay, as you can see, you should notice that a lot of the comparisons here are not needed since the condition is a constant. Okay, and most compilers will optimize cases. Okay, will optimize cases like this. Okay, so in the next part we shall take a look at some examples. Okay.